Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey. We're talking about that generation right here between year 2011 and year 2017. If you guys have one of those and you need to find where the relay for the fog lights is located, stay with us, we'll explain that, where you can buy cheap relays and fuses that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be shared absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses. You can see like the JK's fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the fog lights relay, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on a 2015 Honda Odyssey. If your fog lights do not work, always check, guys. Okay, the fuses as well. Video will be on our channel for the fog lights fuse as well. You guys have 5 different fuse boxes. Luckily enough, we'll work in just one of them, and that fuse box is located under the hood. This is the secondary fuse box that you do not need. You need to go to that fuse box. That's your main fuse box, guys, right here. If you open that cover here, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one right here. And before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the relay for the fog lights, guys, okay, where it's located, if you have that option, that will be the front of your Honda Odyssey. This is towards the windshield side. So if we start on the very top and we count relay number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, that relay number 8 should be right here for the fog lights. On ours, it was removed and used for something else. Even though we had the option, the relay was missing. So that's why our fog lights didn't work when we bought it used, guys. So you can see that's a reason there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.